Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. In this episode, we want to provide answers to these questions under linear equation. This is the episode 2 of the topic linear equation. In the previous one, we deal with the various types and the steps involved in solving linear equation. If you are new, consider subscribing to the channel, like and share. Now, we discussed that if a linear equation contains fractions, the first thing is to clear the fractions by using the LCM of the denominators, or simply put, the LCD, the least common denominator. So in equation 1, we can see our denominators is 9 and 3. So what will be the LCM or LCD? That will be 9, because 9 can divide 9, 3 can divide 9. So it means you are going to multiply both sides of the equal sign, every term, by what? 9. So we have 9 times 2y over 9. 9 times 4 over what? 3. So we can see that if 9 is multiplying, then 9 is dividing. 9 can go there and divide. So it means 9 divided by 9. So this will cancel. This also is multiplying, so it become 9 divided by 3. And that will give us what? 3. So this is 1 times 2y will be 2y. 3 times 4 will give us 12. In our previous lesson, we know that if you have a numerical value in front of a variable, that is a numerical coefficient, we divide both sides by that coefficient. So 2y over 2, 12 over 2, where 2 divided by 2 will cancel. So we have y equals to 6, as in 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. Therefore, the value of y that satisfies this equation will be 6. If 6 goes back into this place, this statement will be true. Then for number 2, we are also going to look at for the LCM of our denominators. Don't forget there is 1 here. So 3, 4, 1. The LCM will be 12. So I multiply every term. Don't forget, we are not multiplying the left and the right as a whole. We are multiplying a term. So I am not going to say that multiply this by the 12 and this by 12. But every term, meaning 12 will multiply x over 3. 12 will multiply x over 4. Then 12 will multiply what? 7. Every term. If there is 5 terms, the LCM will multiply every terms of that equation. So 12 divided by 3, that will give us 4. 12 divided by 4 will be 3. Then we can also multiply 12 by 7 to get our answer. So 4 times x will be 4x. 3 times x will be 3x. Then 7 times 12 will give us what? 84. So in this case, we are already having all the variables at one side, the constant at one side, so we combine them. We are having 4x plus 3x, meaning 4 oranges plus 3 oranges. That will give us what? 7 oranges equals to 84. Since we are looking for the x, we divide both sides by the numerical what? Coefficient, meaning 7x over 7, 84 over what? 7. So per cancellation, your x is going to be 12. Meaning the value of x that satisfies this equation is going to be 12. The moment 12 is here, you get 4. If 12 is here, you get 3. 3 plus 4 will give you 7. And that statement is satisfied. For the number 3, we are also going to look for LCM. This is a fraction, fraction, fraction. So the LCM of 4, 6, and 12 will obviously be what? 12. Meaning 12 can be divided by all of them. So I multiply the first 12 times x over 4. 1 over 6 times what? 12 equals to 7x minus 2 all over 12 times what? 12. If you check here, I did not multiply everything here by 12 because all of this is sitting on what? 12. So all of this become one term. So you multiply it as that. So per the cancellation, 4 can go into 12 3 times, 6 will go into 12 2 times, and 12 will cancel 12. So we'll be left with 3 times x. 3x, 1 times 2 minus 2, then left with 7x minus 2. And that will give us another steps to follow. Meaning we have to remove parentheses, that's the bracket. So we maintain our 3x minus 2 equals to opening this bracket, meaning every term will be multiplied by 7. 7 times x, 7x, 7 times 2 minus what? 14. So now we are going to combine the variables at one side, constant at what? One side. How do we do that? I need the 7 to come here to subtract 7 from both sides. So let's go. 3x minus 7x minus 2 equals to minus 14. What do? I subtract 7x from the right. That will make 7x to be 0. So we are left with only minus 14. I subtract it from the left. What happened to the left must happen to the right. Now I need these 2 also to live here. If I subtract 2 from 2, I'll be having negative 4. So it means I have to add 2 to negative 2 to cancel it. So I'll be having 3x minus 7 equals to minus 14 plus what? 2. Meaning minus 2 plus 2 on the left will cancel that minus 2. Then I'll add the minus 2 to the right also. So this is going to be 3 minus 7. The x is just telling us that there are quantities. So 3 oranges minus 7 oranges. Obviously, you have a negative value. So negative 4x equals to, this is minus 14 plus what? 2. We know addition of integers. If you are adding two numbers that are of different sign, this is negative, this is positive. What to do is that you perform your subtraction, then you keep the sign of the bigger one. So 14 minus 2 will be 12. What is the sign of the bigger one? That is negative. So negative 12. I'm looking for the x. So you divide through by the numerical coefficient of the variable. Meaning negative 4x over negative 4, negative 12 over negative what? 4. So x will be 3. Meaning the value of x that satisfies this equation is what? 3. Or the root of this equation will be 3. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new, like and share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye bye.